Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to add a Redzone to NFL Sunday Ticket. So a lot of people are having this issue. Now let me explain what's actually going on. I'll actually also show you their official website, what they say. So what is going on is that Redzone is not actually part of Sunday Ticket. It wasn't the same last year either. So what actually you need to do, you need to subscribe it to Sunday Ticket, right? And there's two options. So there's Sunday Ticket just by itself, and it's one for Sunday Ticket with Redzone. Of course, for a small amount more, right? A small premium, and you can get that as an add-on. So this is what you do, right? If you're already subscribed to YouTube TV, you go to tv.youtube.com, open your membership page in settings, and then select add next to the NFL Sunday Ticket, and then you go ahead and get Redzone like that. Okay, so if you want to add Redzone, this is what you do, right? You go ahead and sign up to NFL Redzone, which is available as a bundle when you purchase the NFL Sunday Ticket on YouTube TV. So when you're purchasing this, when you come here to purchase this, make sure you add Redzone as a bundle, right? And it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.